Everybody, it is Sweet Crypto here, and this is episode 2 of turning $1,000 into $10,000 in the NFT space. Now, I fixed my mic, so it's not as loud as the first episode, but basically, I got a lot to show you. We got a lot of things to go over, what happened, what I did to try to turn this $1,000 balance into $10,000. So, let's go over to the activity, and we're going to talk about everything here. So we'll look at the we'll look at the wallet first. So there's just about over $1,000, $1,002, something like that in the account. I wrapped ETH because I'm making offers, and I have Ethereum just in case something happens. But there's lots of projects that are going on tomorrow, and I'm very, very excited. As you guys know, I've been grinding, hustling to make this 10 grand off of NFTs, and it's going to be really special. So first, let's talk about some of my transactions. So just a quick heads up, these transactions right here, as you can see, I am currently launching a project. I'm not trying to promote this, but I have to say what the transactions are. I'm launching a project. It's not supposed to, make money and whatnot. I'm not doing it for that. I'm doing it to basically help kids. I'll go over that later in the video. I know you don't care about that right now. We're going to go over the transactions. But basically, what happened? Well, as you can see, I made lots of offers today. But I'm going to mention a big flip that I did. So you can see I got a sale right here. We're going to open this up. And let's go to this. So, this project right here, Ghetto Shark, I was in this, when was the date? This December 12th it launched, I forgot, but basically the floor price is about 0.075, so it's dipping. Anyways, I put a lot of offers up because people wanted to get out of this like a day after midday because they were worried and whatnot. I don't know, okay? I don't know what they were doing, but they wanted to get out. I didn't sell mine minted. As I said, the two I minted is not part of the challenge. I have to send those over to my other account, but I'm like, can I maybe, put a low offer in, and will they maybe accept it? And, I didn't know if they could accept that. Let me turn my mic down a little bit. I didn't know if they would accept that, but I put out like 12 offers, and just going to show you guys. This guy accepted an offer for 0.03 ETH. This is like $115, okay? This was 2 days ago. December 14th. This is, $115 I got this for. I absolutely sniped him. I ripped him off. And guess what I did? I listed it for 0.083, didn't sell. Then I listed it for 0.079, and it ended up selling. So 0.03, that is a 0.05 profit, which is like $200 profit, something like that. So $240 after gas fees and everything is about a $200 profit, $190 profit. So that helped a lot. That was a really quick flip. Did it and within a couple, like 2 days or whatever. So that was really nice. I was gonna hold on to it for the review. I'm like, screw it, let's just sell it. Let's get that liquidity in. So what I'm holding on to right now is those two I need to send out. Of course, these are not part of the challenge. I'm holding on to this Doodle Punk again. I put it up for listing. So in 14 hours and 24 minutes, the bidding is going to end. Will it stay at $428? I highly doubt it. I think this may go up to like $700. Doodle Punks has been going up since I saw it yesterday. The floor is 0.108. The floor used to be 0.06, and then it's 108, and today we reached highs of 0.15. But we'll see how much I'll trade it, because this is 22nd numbered NFT, so it's not that rare, obviously. It's pretty rare, but it's not that rare. But it is the number 22, so 500 views, so it had 12 favorites, so it has a lot of potential to make some profit. Again, I bought this at $500, so I got a snipe on that at the time. But that's basically what's going on. And then tomorrow some big drops, but I want to talk about some projects tomorrow that I'm going to go into, and then big projects I have planned. Like, I'm talking about massive projects that can make me a lot of dough and help me on this challenge. So we're gonna get into those projects now. I want to make sure I don't accidentally mess something up in my Discord. Okay, yeah, you can see this. This is my Discord. Okay, now as you can see here, there's tons of channels, but we're gonna go over the main ones. Plus, I do want to mention that I am making an alpha group. Now, this alpha group is gonna be a good alpha group. It's gonna be as many members as you want, basically to help each other. I'll show you it. I can explain it right now. It's basically an alpha group to lighten the community again. I just made it so there's like no one here. And the more people we get, I mean, the better we tell each other about projects that are coming up and whatnot, because I can't name every project in a video. So I always wanted to be in an alpha group, and I am in an alpha group, but I want to make my own alpha group, and I think I can run it very well and do a lot of announcements on it. I'll announce projects every time I'm going into one. Not calls, but just like, announcements and whatnot. So yeah, you see, we got a lot of stuff here. We got talking and whatnot. So I'll leave a link in the description. Every video, I'll leave a link in the description to join the alpha group if you want to join. So yeah. Anyway, besides that, let's talk about some drops tomorrow. Now, one drop is called Lab Rats. Now, this drop, I'm gonna pull it up on my right screen while I talk about it real quick. I think this is good, right? Yeah. Okay, this drop right here. Why I'm circling through. Where'd it go? Oh, right here. I'm stupid. So this is dropping tomorrow, and for public sale, we can see what we did here. Just gonna go back to here. For public sale, it's gonna be at 4 p.m. Eastern time. And then for pre-sale, it's going to be 3 p.m. Eastern time. I am not whitelisted on this project. I tried to get whitelisted. I literally just found out about this project today. So I always have to say this, but it's not financial advice. I tried to get whitelisted over the couple hours. I couldn't, unfortunately. But it has a good amount of members. As we could see here, it has about, the supply is 5,555. And then the members you're looking at about, I'm pretty sure it was like 21,000 members, 10,000 members. I forgot what it was. 17,000 Instagram followers. Twitter followers. So, it has a good amount of hype around it. The chats are filled, as you can see. This is the first time I haven't seen anybody type. But I'm liking it. I think if the minting's cheap, it's 0.045 ETH, so it's very cheap. Plus gas fees, maybe 0.08. So definitely going to get into this tomorrow. Try to secure one. Hopefully I can, and we'll see what the floor price is. Maybe it's 0.1. If I can make like a 0.03, because right now I'm trying to make these. Big profits are very important, but if you stack a bunch of little profits on top, they will eventually make big profits. And that's what I'm trying to go for, as many projects as I possibly can. I'm only going to mint one. I'm not going to take the risk on minting two in case it fails. But try to get in those whitelist opportunities. So that's one project that is happening tomorrow. Another project that is happening tomorrow that's pretty big is, because I want to finish this video, so I'll show you this one, is I'm going for Shiba Social Club. You'll probably know what this is if you're really into NFTs. 200,000 Discord members, like what the heck. Supply 7,777. Launches tomorrow. The whitelist launches tomorrow. Public sales on Friday. Sorry. I'll make a video tomorrow on a new episode, or I'll do like a project video. But there's no way I'm gonna get it in the public sale. This is gonna be all gone. Okay, so there's going to be like no shot at this. This floors could be like 4 ETH for this thing. So yeah. Anyway, the second or third project that I'm very excited for, as I made a video on it last video, is FatCatz. Okay, I'm very excited for this project. We'll go take a look at some art that it has. Let's go look at sneak peeks. Look at this art. Tell me that you don't like this. Now, I was talking to a project member for FatCatz, and I can show you guys a little reveal of one that no YouTuber has ever put out. So this is a little reveal of one. I'm really excited to show this. We'll go back to the other browser. I'm excited to show this. You know, this is the first time you're gonna see it from anybody. Look at this. Ooh, that's clean. You got the pixelated cat, the blue diamond grill. You got the theater glasses, and then you got the frog jumpsuit. Hey, if I can mint one of these, I'm gonna be happy. I'm gonna be real happy. So, yeah, that's a little sneak peek for that. I'm really excited for FatCatz to drop. The drop again is on the pre-sale is December 19th, and the public sale is December 20th. You'll probably be able to get a public drop on December 20th, so look out for that. Also, if you want to win a free whitelist spot, go back to my video about FatCatz. It's my last video, and enter a comment down below, and I'll be doing a little giveaway for one whitelist spot for FatCatz. So, yeah, but that's gonna end it. That's gonna end the episode 2. So what are we looking at right now, really quick? Well, basically we'll go to favorites. We're looking at maybe $700 here, $800, and then 1,000 here, which is 1,800. Now I only showed $200 profit, but as you guys seen, I've been doing very little flips. Like, I've been doing very little flips, and the holdings has gone up, so Ethereum has gone up, so I'm basically at $1,800 from 1,000, which is good progress. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and yeah, if you want to join that alpha group, you can go ahead. It's in the link description. Peace out.